Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last class we have seen the laws of exponent. Okay, so I have left there two or three laws which I am going to tell you. Okay, so the first is 1 by a is equal to a power minus 1. See here, it can be 1 by a power 1. Okay, so when you reciprocate a power 1, then it will be a power minus 1. These three laws are important. Okay, so it will be a power minus 1. For example, if you have written 1 by 2 power 2, so it will be 2 power minus 2. Okay, so this was this laws. Okay, so the second one is that x power a by b will be b root x power a. Okay, see here, suppose there is a number 2 2 1 by 3, so it will be here 2 power 1, this one will be here. Okay, and 3 will be here, then it will be cubic. Okay, it will be cube root. Okay, and if suppose there is 3 by 3, 2 power 3 by 3, then it will be 3 cube root, and it will be 2 power 3, so the answer will be 2. Okay, or here we can write it directly that 3 by 3 will be 1 and 2 power 1 will be 2. Okay, now here, on the basis of this law, many questions can be asked to you. So when the bases are same with the equality sign equal, okay, it is equal sign, then the power will be equal. For example, 5 power x is equal to 5 power 0, so the value of x will be 0, both power will be equal. Okay, so we are going to see some problems now on the topic laws of exponent. Okay, so let us see the questions. So the first question is that first question 2 by 3 power 2 into 2 by 3 power 5. Okay, so let's see, here bases are same, so the power will be added. Okay, so 2 by 3 power 2 plus, here 2 plus 5, so it will be 2 by 3 power 7. If you want to expand it, you can. Okay, so the second question is that second question 3 by 4 power minus 2. Okay, 3 by 4 power minus 2. So if you remember the law which I have told you, that 1 by power a1 a 1 by a power 1 is equal to a power minus 1. Okay, means it is in negative, and if you do it that a a 1 by a, so it will be positive a power 1. So here we are going to do the same thing. Okay, so let's see, when we reciprocate, then it will be 4 by 3, and it will be in positive 2. It will be in positive, then it will be 16 by 9. Okay, this is your answer. Or say if you change it, then 9, and it will be 7. Okay, so now the next question is third question is that 6 to 5 power minus 1 by 4. Okay, 6 to 5 power minus 1 by 4. So when you reciprocate, then it will be in positive. Okay, so 1 by 6 to 5, then it will be only 1 by 4, it will be in positive. Okay, so see here, it can be written as 1 by 625 power 1 by 4, and it can be, see here, if you remember the second law which I have told you, that one is in middle. So see here, it is okay. So if you remember, this x power a by b, x power a by b will be x, it will be here, sorry, I think it's not getting, okay. So it will be b here and a will be here, okay. So see here, relate this, so it will be root, see here, root, okay. So root 6 to 5 power 1, okay, power 1, and here will be 4. So if you solve this uh, next, then it will be 1 by 4, and just prime factorization, then it will be 5 into 5, okay. You can check it. So it will be 5 125 5 25, and 5 5 ja 25. So the 4 times it's repeating, okay. So I'm written here. So 4 will not, the 4 number, as they are similar, will come out, okay. The similar number will come out, so it will be 1 by 5, 4 similar number, okay, as it is 4 root, okay. So this was the question number 3. So the next question is, that 3 4, okay. Suppose it's 5 5 5 2x divided by 5x, okay. 5 2x divided by 5x is equal to 5 power 0, okay. 5 power 0. So see here, it will be 5 2x, it can be written here, and x is equal to 5 power 0, okay. So it will be 5 2x minus x, because here it is division, so 2x minus x, okay. Power 2x minus x is equal to 5 power 0. So here, when the bases are same in equality sign, then the both power will be equal, okay. Then the power will be equal. So see here, 2x minus x will be 0. Then it will be 2x minus x will be x is equal to 0. Then the value of x is 0, okay. Value of x is 0. So this was the question. You have to see and use the laws, okay, which could be applied here. This is the main thing which you have to do, okay. So now there is a very interesting question. Suppose question number 5. So it is x x x, also it is x power x minus 5 is equal to 1. Then find the value of x, okay. So see here, let's solve it. That x power x minus 5 is equal to 1. So just think that it is equality sign, and I have just taught you equality law related to this, okay. So think how this one can be written, so that the base will become x, okay. And when we will solve this reversely, then we will get 1, okay. So there is a number. Remember, a x power 0 will be 1. Okay, so that we could solve this, x power 0 will be 1. So we are going to apply this here. Okay, see here, x x minus 5. Okay, so it will be x power 0. See here, this is also a law of exponents. So it will be x power 0. Okay, so when the bases are same, okay, then the power will be equal in, hence there is a equality sign. Okay, it is a equality sign. Okay, so it will be x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so it will be x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x will be 5. It is in negative. When we will send it into RHS, then it will, the sign will change. Okay, then it will be plus 5, means x is equal to 5. See how we have find the value of x by using two laws. First is, when the bases are same with equality sign, then the power will equal. And the second was x power 0 will be 1. Firstly, we have used it. Okay. Now the third question, or say part of second part. Okay. Second part of this question, fifth 2, is that 2 2 power 3 power 4, and here it is 2 power, or say 2 power 2. Yeah, 2 power 2 power x. Then find the value of x. It's very easy. So it will be 2 power 3 power 4. So it will be 2 3 into 4. 2 power 3 into 4 is equal to 2. 2 into x. Okay, 2 into x. So it will be 2 power 3 4s are 12 is equal to 2 power 2x. So bases are same, then it will be equal. So 12 is equal to 2x. Then the value of x, see here, um, see here, 2x is equal to 12. Okay, so x is equal to 12 by 2. So it will be 6. Okay, it will be 6. So x here, x will be 12 by 2 will be 6. So the value of x is 6. Okay, now the next question is that, I think you all will solve this. Okay, they are very important. Okay, see here. So the next question is that, next question. Okay, 2 by 4 into 1 by 2, and here it is power 3 and power 3. Okay, it is power 3. Okay, so when the power are equal, then the bases will multiplied. Okay, so it will be 2 by 4 into 1 by 2, and the power will be 3, as both are equal. Okay, so it will be, see, it is 4. It is 4. 2 by 4 into 1 by 2, so it will be 2, and 2 gets cancelled, so it will be 1 by 4 power 3. 1 by 4 power 3. Okay, so it will be 1 by 1 cube will be 1, and 4 cube will be 4 4 ja 60, 4 4 ja 69, 16 4 ja 64. So it will be 1 by 64. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Now our this chapter number system is totally completed. From next class we will see the next chapter. We will start the next chapter, the polynomial. Okay, till that, Goodbye.